All right, good morning. Markets have just opened here. It's Friday, May Day. Remember the old May Days back when Russia was... They'd have the big displays of all the military power on May Day. Those were the good old days. Anyways, Europe mainly closed. Mexican markets are closed for May Day. And oil's up a little bit here off the open. It's going to be a slow day, I suspect. Pivot is up at 873. We traded up to that number right about 875 pre-market and have sold off 868 here on the open. We're on a bearish bent after yesterday's action, and the pivot being above us here today. You want to be a seller of rallies today. So that's where we are. Yesterday you had a lot of signals. It was the first day that showed we couldn't break the pre-market highs that we set. So yesterday was a little bit different than the rest of the days in the week in that we had a move higher and then pre-market, and then we never got back to that level. So that was indicative of a divergence in pricing, which was the first time we saw that all last week or all this week. Most of this week we were selling off in the morning and then rallying afterwards. So it was a clear signal yesterday, and I kept telling our guys in the trading room that if we saw a rally first, we'd probably sell off, and we finally got it yesterday. So that was a good trade to the short side. Today, again, we're sitting right around the pivot, basically 873 off the pre-market open here, and you want to have a downside bent unless you get over, say, 878, 880, and then you want to be back long. So that's about it. Have a great weekend, and be careful out there, and we'll see you back here on May 4th.